If you are still not using these three mind-blowing AI apps on your phone in 2026, and you are seriously missing out. Today I'm showing you three secret AI tools that will change how you use your phone. Watch until the end. First up, Adobe Freefly. Just open it in Adobe Express. Drop any photo, type what you want to change, and it edit your photo in just one click. No design skill needed. Second, in the Chat GPT app. This is a complete lifesaver for students and creators. Ask if any question and it generates high quality script, easy or business idea. Third, CapCut AI
Guys,
for
please
video
support me,
creator.
subscribe,
It is
and
AI
like my
auto
channel.
caption
Thank you.
tools
Watch me, my
automatically
video.
generates text on your screen exactly like the one you are saying right now. If you want to master these AI secrets, daily hits that subscribe button right now. See you in the next video. Bye.
Guys, please support me. Subscribe and like my channel. Thank